hardly see with the glare on the lens here, but that branch up there, that's through the roof. Let's go inside the shop. Here we are inside the shop. Hang on, this thing is zoomed in still. Here we go. You can see the insulation pushed down here. And bingo, daylight. So, yeah. Time for repairs. The shop roof. Branch wraps all the way back here. Came out of the neighbor's poplar tree. See the fresh break right there. See what we got to do to get this out of here. There we go. It's out. Get this off the roof. Alright. Yeah, about a 6-inch hole. Great. Just freaking great. Well, I guess I got some repairs to do. Might as well get to moving these shingles off. Let's get busy. Well, here we are on the shop roof. Got the shingles pulled out of the way. Yeah, nice big 8 or 10-inch hole in the roof. Yay. Luckily no rain over the next few days, so we'll get it done. Just ran down for some materials and we'll get it patched up. Not what I wanted to do though. Hole's clean cut, about 14 by 15. Blocking put in. Got our new piece of sheathing to drop in there. I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. Get some paper and some shingles on here and call this a job done. But of course it's going to be dark soon, so I might be out here with a headlamp on finishing this job up. I'd much rather be down there running that, getting that milled up, and fixing all my tarps that the wind also ripped off of all my lumber stacks. So soon, if I didn't have to fix this, I'd definitely be running that. So stay tuned, we will have footage. Repairs complete. The shop is once again watertight. And time to get back on the LT35 and get some milling done. We've got some ash, black walnut, red oak, and maple to do down there. Both slabs and some lumber. And a couple of posts from the center of those two ash logs right there in the front. The first two logs, right there. Those first two. They're ash. Somebody wants some 8x8 posts out of those. So that'll be one of the first things we get done. But for now, shop is weather tight. Got to get inside and tack the insulation back in place and we're good to go. But first, I'm going to go in and get some dinner. Just enough light to spare. Thanks again for checking in. Like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification button. You'll know when we put up another video. Sorry this wasn't a milling video, but this took priority and some other things that happened here at the Iron Oak Sawmill. Thanks again, and we'll see you out here next time.